I'm going to show you a really great recipe for this clever dripper. I've been using this a lot recently and really been loving it. Start with 15 grams of coffee, grind it fine, similar to the size you do for a pour over. Boil the water, fold the filter at the bottom and the side. This allows it to fit in the clever a little bit better. And then you're going to saturate the filter and dump that water out. Then you're going to pour water to 250 grams. Water first, coffee second, and then you're going to stir in the coffee just to evenly saturate all of the grounds. And then you can put the lid on, wait 2 minutes. At 2 minutes, you're going to stir again one more time to break the crust. Wait 30 seconds, so at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you're going to set the dripper on top of a carafe. Takes about 30 to 45 seconds. You should have a flat bed at the bottom. And then remove the clever. You're ready to enjoy.